Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to automatically delete your activity in the Google Maps app. If you value privacy and want to manage your location history efficiently, this video will guide you through the process in a clear and easy to follow way. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. Then, scroll down and click on Maps History. Once you are in Maps History, click on Auto Delete to manage how long your activity is saved. Under Auto Delete Activity, choose the time frame that works best for you, such as 18 months, 3 months, or 36 months. After selecting the preferred duration, click on the Next button to proceed. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Confirm. This will ensure that your location activity is automatically deleted according to the time frame you selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.